Hello, Halifax Regional Council. I come to you today as a commercial fisherman to talk to you about why I believe aquaculture farms are necessary in the Northwest Arm. While I believe these aquaculture farms are needed, I would like to make it known that I wish they weren't. Being a commercial fisherman and working out in the open ocean has proven to be a struggle. That is because the fish are becoming scarce due to our negligence. We have overfished the ocean to the point where successfully catching our quota has become increasingly difficult, and we obviously were never thinking about these consequences. In order for people like me to continue working and making a living for myself and my family, these farms are crucial. I am aware there are environmental risks when it comes to the operation of aquaculture farms, but if done right, I believe that these risks can be lessened. One of the biggest risks when it comes to aquaculture farms is pollution. The way to decrease the amount of waste from entering the oceans would be to only use closed system farms. These closed system farms help contain any waste pollution, whereas open system farms really have no control. I urge you to move forward with the building of the aquaculture farms for the sake of people's employment, but also urge you to put the ocean first and make sure these farms are operating safely and correctly. I believe that if these farms are run properly with the health of the oceans in mind, we can keep the oceans as clean as possible. Thank you.